Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open a PDF in Google Docs, but first you need to go to your Google Drive and add a PDF, okay? So click on New, I'll click on File Upload, and here it will open up My File Explorer. So I'll go ahead and click on Pictures, I have it saved, right? So let me go ahead and close that. There we go. So let's say I want to open this PDF. So I'll just click on open and it will start uploading to my Google Drive. And once it is done uploading, I'll show you what exactly we need to do. So you just go ahead and locate the document. So click on show file location. And once I have identified the document, here we go, this is the PDF, you just go ahead and right click on it. Okay, go hover over open with and just click on Google Docs. So check this out. This will go ahead and open up in my Google Docs in just a few seconds. There we go. And as you can see, the PDF has opened and everything is now editable as well. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple.